Baby, you could roll with me. We can take it to back streets. We'll be breaking in those back seats. There ain't a thing that we couldn't be. Baby, if you roll with me, I could be your teenage dream. You could be my shotgun rider. I don't want a one-nighter. Yeah, you're everything I want and need. Baby, you could roll with me. Baby, you could roll with me. Baby, you could roll with me. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is How to Play Teenage Dream by Kid G. Another song that was requested, so let me know if you guys have any questions on it, or if you have any other requests, please let me know just in the comments. And yeah, so the song's super easy to play. A couple different strumming patterns, 4 chords, maybe not even 4, maybe 3, over and over, so super easy. Please hit like and subscribe though, before I get into the lesson, so that you can get notified when I come up with new tutorials, and then you'll get notified when I come up with the songs that you request, and just learn how to play other cool songs on the guitar. And also please hit like, because then YouTube serves it up to more people. So, all right, let's get into it. You're gonna put a capo on the 4th fret. I'm not gonna show you how to do the intro. I can show you that in another video if you want, but you don't play the intro with the capo on it, so it's like kind of hard to play in like, you know, acoustically by yourself, or with like at a fire or something. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how the chords that you play for this song, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do E minor, then G. And I use this G just because it's easier in this song. And you're gonna use C. So you're actually just gonna use those 3 chords, okay? And then you will repeat them and stuff, but I'm gonna show you the different strumming patterns. The different chord progressions. So you start, in the intro, you're gonna do E minor, okay? And then you're gonna do G. And then you're gonna do C. And then G, okay? So E minor, G, C, G, okay? So the way you're gonna start it is you're just gonna do that. You're gonna do you can mute it. I wouldn't do that until the 2nd verse, but you can do single strum. So you do so you just do that E minor, C, G, okay? Now I'm gonna walk you through the 1st verse, and I'm gonna walk you through the strumming pattern that you use for the chorus. So make sure you stick around a little bit, okay? Because you're gonna do E minor, G, C, G. You do that once for the intro with no lyrics, and then you're gonna go right into it. A set, okay, so you do a set, Z minor. A set of ball tires, couple loose wires, okay. Okay, so you do a set of ball tires. Tires is where you can do G, okay. G, couple loose wires, yeah, that was my first truck. You're gonna stay on G for this, okay. Yeah, that was my first truck. Okay, then you need to go to E minor for 2 doors. 2 doors, bench, seat. Okay, E minor for 2, and then bench C is G, C is G, bench C, that's where first is C, okay, first fell in love, okay, love is G. Then you're gonna go to E minor and start over. You're gonna do we were rolling, okay, we were is gonna be E minor, we were rolling free, only 16, okay, so free, at the end of free, you're gonna do G, or you could do like the beginning of only. Free, only 16, money, okay, money is C, money, speakers, bumping sounds, okay, so you use sounds as G, sounds of a 6 string, then you go to E minor after string, and I swear I ain't never is gonna be G, ain't never seen nothing on a silver, okay, silver is gonna be C, silver screen shining like her, okay, so silver is C, and shining like her is G, shining like her. And then you're gonna go into the pre-chorus, and you can keep doing that, just the single strums, okay, just for the pre-chorus. Once we hit the chorus, you won't do that, but you're gonna do, okay, so you're gonna do O is E minor, O, so the 3rd O is where you're gonna do G, O, we were brighter than the headlights, so brighter is C, we were brighter than the headlights, blowing is G, blowing through the stop signs, and then you do start over again. You do E minor, G, C, G, and then you're gonna start over. You're gonna do E minor, O, so remember that 3rd woe is where you're gonna do G. You're gonna do, and if you're looking as C, okay, so you're gonna do, and if you're looking for a good time, baby, you could roll with me. Okay, so then what you're gonna do differently here, it's gonna be the same chord progression, So before you go into the chorus, you don't play that G, and then you're gonna go, baby, you could roll. Roll is where you're gonna start doing E minor. I'm gonna show you the chord progression, the strumming pattern here. So you're gonna do, baby, you could roll with me. We can take it to back streets. So you're doing down, 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 up, 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 down. Now you can do, at the end of that, you can do down, down, up, down. So when you go to C, from C to G, you can do down, down, up, down. Okay, so it's just that real easy down, 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 up, 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 down. Sorry, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. If you want to do that last part after you do it when you go through this the second time. Then you can. If you don't want to, don't do it. Just make it as simple as you need to, because I don't know if you guys are beginners or what, but just do it like that, okay? All right, so you're gonna do, baby, you could roll. Roll is E minor. Roll with me. Me is G. Me, we can take it to a C. To back streets. Streets is where you do G. Streets, we'll be breaking in. In is E minor. In those back seats. Seats again is G. Seats, there ain't a thing. Okay, so you're gonna do, there ain't a thing that we couldn't be. Okay, so that's where if you wanted to, the down, down, up, down, you could. You don't have to. You're gonna do, there ain't a thing that we couldn't be. Okay, so B is gonna be G. That's where you're gonna play the G chord. Baby, if you roll, then you start over, you're gonna do roll is E minor. Roll with me. Okay, then me is G. I can be your teen. Okay, teen is C. Teenage dream. Okay, dream is G. Dream, you can be my shotgun. Okay, shotgun is E minor. Shotgun rider, I don't want. Okay, want. And I would really emphasize that part. Want a one-nighter. Okay, want is G. Want a one-nighter, yeah, you're everything I wanna need. See how I just did that? Everything I wanna need. Just that down, down, up, down. Okay? So you can do that. You can, yeah, your everything is C, everything I want and need. Now for this part, you can keep playing it the way you have for the rest of the chorus, but I think it's more on the album version. What he does is he'll do, baby, you could roll. So it sounds better to have it like soften up a little bit. Let's see, baby, you could roll. Roll is gonna be E minor, and so I would do the mutes here. Roll with me. Let's see, sorry. Baby, you could roll. Okay, so on that third roll, you're gonna do G. Roll with me. Then you do C, G after me, okay? See, baby, you could roll. Roll is E minor. Roll. Third roll is G. Roll with me. Okay, so after me. Then you're gonna do G. Baby, you could roll with me. Roll with me. All right, and you're gonna go into the second verse. And you have the last chorus. There's nothing else on the song. There's no bridge or anything like that. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun learning this song and teaching it to you. And yeah, see me next time.